But Doctor, just a follow-up question on that. Considering the fact that most of the countries have been missing out their targets on an annual basis on the conservation side, right? Whether it is protected land aspect or maybe whether it is protected oceans, right? To what extent do we think that the 2030 or 2050 targets are those relevance? Plus, whether we are getting the right approach towards the conservation, as you rightly said, that people have just started talking about conservation more seriously, right? But whether it is $200 billion, whether it's $500 billion, where exactly it is going and how exactly countries are contributing, together, right? So there are countries which are missing out on targets on a regular basis. So how do we address that? Because that's been the concern all throughout.
Yeah, in fact, the whole decade of biodiversity decade which ended, we missed many targets.
Yeah.
And the 2019 report, which this Intergovernmental Panel on Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services brought out, around a million species are facing extinction. So that crisis is there, but response is, that is why recommendation is that we need transformative action.
Right.
Transformating change is needed. Uh, there is thinking toward the whole ecosystem restoration decade, which has been launched on June 5 this year, World Environment Day, as well as this the framework talks about certain like 30% areas, both landscape and seascape. Earlier it was just 14 and 10, but now that has the bar has been raised
Right.
30%. And this is also linked to the climate goal, the net zero by 2050. Of course, if you consider, means you are, this is a kind of delaying tactics. We need action right now. Like if developed countries, they say that by 2050, next 30 years, they will become net zero or they will restore ecosystems. That will be too late.
Right.
Action, rather it should have been brought down to 5-year plans within next 5 years. And the targets are, again, it's not very specific. So you are very right when you say whether we are going to achieve whatever next 30 years given the certain conditions. Not only funding, there are many other uh, conditions that are required.